If you're thinking about buying gold or silver but are not sure how the economy might affect your timing, you're not alone. One wrong move could mean buying at the worst possible moment. When you invest in precious metals, timing matters. Economic trends, inflation rates, and market signals all play a role in whether your purchase protects your wealth or leaves you exposed. That's why it's helpful to have access to experts who can break down the numbers in plain language. In the Welcome to Augusta Guide, part of the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, you will see how their education team works with investors to make sense of complex economic data. They even have a Harvard trained economist leading the effort, helping explain what's happening in the markets and how it might influence gold and silver prices. Instead of leaving you to interpret the news on your own, they simplify the big picture so you can make better decisions. I've linked this guide in the description so you can see exactly how this process works. The Welcome to Augusta Guide is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. Together, they walk you through everything from understanding market risk to avoiding common IRA mistakes. It's designed to help you make informed, confident choices, even if you're brand new to precious metals. If you want a clearer picture of how the economy might affect your gold or silver purchases, download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. It's free, beginner friendly, and packed with insights to help you move forward with confidence. The link's in the description.